Hello and welcome to Magirune Devlog number 2. Magirune is a casual dungeon crawler which was built in JavaScript. People really liked the first game, so I decided to create another one in Unity. I'm trying to keep the same concept as the first one. Battles are easy, just need to walk on the enemy. But in Magirune 2, I'll add a bit more story and a few more items that makes it a bit more Metroidvania. Whenever I try to build a game, I always have trouble with the story and the graphic. But this time, I forced myself to work on it a bit every day. This has been working surprisingly well. I drew different versions of enemy, like a bat, a spider, and a slime. I also drew the heart and a few items. Here you can see the skulls that were used in the first game. The only thing left are the characters, which aren't created by myself. But I'm really not ready to do this yet. To test everything out properly, I added a map where I put everything in. It really helps to test all the different features. I don't need to walk around in the world all the time. The concept of poison was also added. When the green slime hits the player becomes poisoned. The life goes to green and the player needs to drink from the fountain to remove the poison. I'm not sure what the poison will do yet. Losing life on each movement might be too much. Maybe every 5 actions we'll lose life, but I still need to do a lot of testing on this. I thought it wasn't obvious if an NPC had anything important to say. So I added an exclamation point and made it pulse. It helped the eye focus on the NPC as soon as the player enters the map. I also added some dust particle. When the player walks a few tiles in the same direction, or if the player moves in the opposite direction, a bit of white dust will appear. I think this adds a nice little touch to the movement. A main menu was also added with the option to create a new game or load the previous one. I actually added this because I was getting a bit annoyed having to restart the game every time I needed to test something. So, next week, I think I'll focus my time on creating a itch.io page and adding more maps to the game. See you soon!